Hello friends and welcome to new session, that is sulfonamide, or it is also called sulfur drug part 2. Let's continue with part 1, in which we study introduction of sulfur drug, mechanism of action, chemistry and physical property, stability and storage condition for sulfur drug. Now in this part 2, we deals with individual monograph of sulfur drug. I am Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, lecturer in K.K. Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Sandori, Nasik. Learning outcome are: after watching this video, student will able to name the sulfur drug according to IUPAC system, to recognize the different sulfur drug on the basis of structure and physical property, and to recognize the use and official preparation of different sulfur drugs. First drug, that is sulfadiazine. This is the structure of sulfadiazine. Chemical name is 4-amino N-pyrimedyl 2-yle benzyl sulfonamide or 2-para-aminobenzene sulfamidopyridine. Sulfadiazine undergoes chemical properties, that is diazotization reaction, which is already studied in part 1. When it is treated with sodium nitrite in presence of concentrated HCl at 0 to 10 degrees Celsius, it undergoes diazotization, giving diazo compound. Uses of sulfadiazine: it has antibacterial activity and use in the treatment of meningitis, urinary tract infection, toxoplasmosis in combination with pyrimethamine, and its silver salt, that is silver sulfadiazine, is used topically in the treatment of burn therapy. Pharmaceutical preparations are sulfadiazine tablet, sulfadiazine sodium injection, trisulfapyrimidine tablet. Brand names: Atrina, Cotrizine and Trimozine. Next drug is sulfaguanidine. This is the structure of sulfaguanidine. It contains guanidine functional group. Chemical name is 2,4-aminobenzene sulfonyl guanidine. It also undergoes diazotization reaction to form diazo compound. Uses: it is an antibacterial agent and it is poorly absorbed through GIT, hence it is used in the treatment of local intestinal infection like bacillary infection. Pharmaceutical preparation: sulfaguanidine tablet. Brand name: Guanidan, Guanimycin and Entrogen. Next drug is phthalate sulfathiazole. This is the structure of phthalate sulfathiazole, in which N1 and N4 both are substituted. Chemical name: 2,N,4-phthalate sulfonamido-thiazole. It also contains aromatic amino group. Therefore, the compound is hydrolyzed by boiling with sodium hydroxide to get primary aromatic amino group, and then it is undergoes diazotization reaction. Uses: it is antibacterial agent and poorly absorbed through GIT, hence it is used in the treatment of local intestinal infection like bacillary infection, and it is also used to reduce bacterial flora of large intestine before surgery. Pharmaceutical preparation: phthalate sulfathiazole tablet and brand name are Thalidine. Next, succinyl sulfathiazole. This is the structure in which N1 and N4 both are substituted. Chemical name is 2,N,4 succinyl-sulfonamido-thiazole. It also undergoes diazotization reaction. Uses: it is antibacterial agent and poorly absorbed through GIT, hence it is used in the treatment of local intestinal infection like bacillary infections, and it is used to reduce bacterial flora of large intestine before surgery. Pharmaceutical preparation: succinyl sulfathiazole tablet, brand name SS-thiazole, and chromomycin cremostat. Next compound is sulfadimethoxam. This is the structure of sulfadimethoxam. Chemical name N1,2,4-dimethoxy 4-pyrimidinil sulfonamide. Chemical property: due to presence of primary amino group, it undergoes diazotization reaction. Uses: it is a long-acting antibacterial agent and it is used in the treatment of urinary tract infection. Pharmaceutical preparation: sulfadimethoxam tablet, brand name Bensulfa, Sulfadren, and Capril. Next drug is sulfamethoxypyridazine. This is the structure. Chemical name N1,6-methoxypyridazine 3-il sulfanilamide. Chemical property: as it contains primary aromatic amino group, it undergoes diazotization and yields diazotized compound. Uses: it is a long-acting antibacterial agent. It is used in the treatment of urinary tract infection. It is a sulfonamide antibiotic, therefore it may be prescribed for vaginal irritation. Pharmaceutical formulation or preparation: sulfamethoxypyridazine tablet, brand name Daracin and Confin. Next is cotrimazole. It consists of 1 part of trimethoprim and 5 part of sulfamethoxazole. Sulfamethoxazole, it is a sulfonamide derivative in which one sulfonyl group is replaced by 5-methyl isoxazole 3-il heterocycle. The presence of these heterocyclic rings improves antibacterial activity. This is sulfamethoxazole. Physical property: it is white crystalline powder, odorless, and has bitter taste. It is very slightly soluble in water. When sulfamethoxazole drug is given alone, resistance develops to susceptible bacteria, so require higher dose, so produce toxic effect like crystalluria. Trimethoprim. It is a synthetic derivative of trimethoxybenzyl pyrimidine in which 2 amino groups are present at 2 and 4 position and 3,4,5 trimethoxybenzene group is attached at C5 position. The presence of trimethoxy group on benzene group reduces lipophilicity and thus its activity is increased. This is trimethoprim, which contains 3 methoxy group at 3, 4 and 5 position and 2 amino group are present at 2 and 4 position. Physical property: it is white to yellowish white crystalline powder, odorless, and has bitter taste. It is slightly soluble in water. Trimethoprim also develops resistance with susceptible bacteria when given alone. When combination of these two drugs of similar pharmacokinetic property are administered, the spectrum of antibacterial activity increases. This combination is used in the treatment of genitourinary tract infection, respiratory tract infection like bronchitis and pneumonia, meningitis due to meningococcal infection, and enteric infection like typhoid or paratyphoid. Pharmaceutical preparation: sulfamethoxazole tablet and sulfamethoxazole oral suspension, cotrimazole cotrimazole tablet, cotrimazole injection, dispersible cotrimazole tablet, pediatric cotrimazole tablet, pediatric cotrimazole mixture. Methoprim and sulfadiazine, methoprim and sulfadiazine tablet, methoprim and sulfadiazine injection, methoprim and sulfadiazine mixture, methoprim and sulfadiazine dispersible tablet, powder. And fourth, trimethoprim and sulfadoxine, trimethoprim and sulfadoxine tablet, trimethozine and sulfadoxine injection. Brand names: Bactrim, Septran, Ceplin and Uretrim. Next drug is sulfacetamide. This is the structure of sulfacetamide. It is a N4-aminobenzene sulfonyl acetamide. It contains primary aromatic amino group, therefore it undergoes diazotization reaction to give diazotized compound. Uses: it is a long-acting antibacterial agent. It is used locally in the treatment of eye infection. It is used systemically in the treatment of urinary tract infection. Pharmaceutical preparation: sulfacetamide eye drop and sulfacetamide eye ointment. Brand names: Albucid, Locula, Naba, Sul. Thank you so much for watching this video.